Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Marta and I'm so happy to have you here. For today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this look. This is something super quick and easy to do if you don't have a lot of time but you want something a bit dramatic but not too dramatic and a pop of color. So if you're looking for something like that, I hope you like this look. Before we get started, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button to be a part of this little family and turn on the bell notification so you won't miss any of my videos, and give me a thumbs up please if you like this look. And now let's get started. As always, I'm going to grab my Rimmel Stay Matte Concealer and the Real Techniques Detailer Brush to clean the bottom of my eyebrows. And like I said in my other videos, this is not an important part for eyeshadow, so you can skip this if you want. But I like to do it because the eyebrows look a little bit more cleaner, and you'll see right now a before and after, and I just really like how that looks. It just looks so much better. And I'm also going to use this concealer as a primer for my eyeshadows, and that is something very important. You do want to have a primer for a few reasons. The main one is so your eyeshadows can stay on longer. You need something to grip onto your eyelid and the eyeshadows. So nice, and it's pretty fast and easy to do. And right here you can see the difference with the concealer, and cleaning the brows from the bottom is just, it looks a lot neater. And you have a clean canvas for your eyeshadows. Now the first eyeshadow is actually going to be my bronzer. This is a pressed powder. No, it's a powder foundation, but I like to use it as a bronzer, and today I'm going to use it as an eyeshadow. And I'm using the brush from Profusion, and I'm just going to apply it in tapping motions. That's also important. If you didn't set your concealer or the primer, you want to apply the eyeshadows in tapping motions, then just go back and forth to blend it out very lightly, and you don't want to have a lot of product on the brush when you're blending out the eyeshadows. And this is just to give the eye a little bit of definition. I just want something on the crease, and this is so nice and simple. The completed look will not be as dramatic as if I were to use a darker brown on the crease. So I'm pretty much contouring the crease with the bronzer. So I'm just going to keep blending it out until I like how it's looking. And I do want this shade to be above my crease. That way you'll be able to see it when I have the eyes open, like when I'm looking straight forward and not just looking down, which is something important if you have small or hooded eyes. Today I'm going to be using this eyeshadow palette from Profusion, Wanderlust, and I'm going to grab this eyeshadow with this little sponge looking thing. This little brush comes in the palette from Rimmel, and I'll be applying this eyeshadow all over my eyelid, passing the crease just a little bit. I don't want to cover up the first eyeshadow I applied. What I do want is to have a very light eyeshadow on my eyelid. That way it doesn't look so small, because I am going to be applying the purple eyeshadow as an eyeliner, and it's pretty kind of dark, so I want the rest of my eyelid to look very light. And I'm just applying that in tapping motions, and this sponge applies the eyeshadow really good. And don't forget to blend out the edges, and I just use the same little sponge and go very lightly over the edges above my crease. Now using the other side of the little brush, I'm going to grab this eyeshadow right here, right on the tip of the brush. And I'm going to apply this in tapping motions right above the roots of my eyelashes on my eyelid. And as you can see, the other eye, the purple goes around the eye, just where the roots of the eyelashes are. It doesn't come out over here like a winged eyeliner or anything. It just goes around like this, and I really like that. And that's exactly how I want it. So I'm just going to keep adding it like this in tapping motions as close to the lash line as I can, especially on this area right here, the inner corner. If you have hooded eyes, oh, I just poked my eye. You don't want to apply a lot of the eyeshadow or any dark eyeshadow or eyeliner on the inner part of the eyelid, because then it's going to cover up a lot of your eyelid, and you don't want that. And for this part, what's most important is for you to use a small brush, because if you use a big one, you're obviously going to start by adding a lot of the product. I'm just going to keep adding more layers until I like how the color is looking. And then you can see that my waterline is also purple. What I did is I used the little sponge again. I grabbed some of that same purple eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna pull this down and then start applying it. You don't want to grab a lot of product on the brush, because then it's gonna go inside your eye, and you don't want that. You can also do this with a Q-tip, and this is something you can do if you don't have the color of the eyeliner that you want. I feel like that looks so much better instead of like a black or no eyeliner. Now the eyelashes that I will be applying are from my brand EyesomeLux in the style Bella. These are our most popular style. They're so simple and pretty and easy to apply because the band isn't so thick. I'll leave the link to our website in the description box below in case you guys are interested. And last but not least, I'm going to apply the CoverGirl Exhibitionist Uncensored mascara on my lower lashes. So you can see how these eyeshadows kind of look a bit dramatic, but then they don't because they're not that dark and it's not like all over my eyelid or using very dramatic eyelashes. This is just a very simple and semi-dramatic look, and I really hope you guys liked it, and I hope this tutorial helped you. Let me know in the comments below what you think, and also tell me what other videos or what other kind of makeup tutorials you want me to upload. Thank you guys so much for your love and your support. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!